So finally, the wait is over. The Arcade Insider email for the April month is live. What is this Arcade Insider? What makes it special? How to read it and understand the email? All things we'll cover in this video. But before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel, like the video. And in case you want to know more about the Arcade program, how to participate, how to get the goodies, I've already covered in Hindi and English too. I will attach the links in the description box. Now coming to the Arcade Insider email, what is this email? What makes it special? So you must have updated your banking passbook or you must have visited and checked the statements, means how much balance you are having on your account. Similarly, it is just like a monthly statement of the arcade program that whatever points you are earning just by completing all these games you get some arcade points. I hope you are understanding about the arcade points. In case you don't know, you can just watch the detailed video how to participate. You'll be getting all the ideas over there. So just like the arcade points gets added up each month, it gets accumulated and you get the report of it that how many arcade points you have earned till now. As I started from the January month itself, so I'm having 36 arcade points till March 31st. That does not mean if I have completed any of the games and earned arcade points in the April month, it won't be listed over here. Every month this statement means this progress will be getting updated. For example, today I'm having 36 points. Okay. In the next month, if I am having, I completed two games. Okay. Suppose I completed these two games, then in the next month it will change to 38 points. Similarly, it will go so on and on. Okay, it will get upgraded every month. Whatever games I complete, I get the arcade point for it. Now here most of you are having one more query that if I completed April games also, I started in April also, I'm not getting the mails. First query is that. Second, my April points are not listed on my points. Means I have earned 4 arcade points. Why? If you clearly see over here, you can see this total progress refers between 5th of January till 31st of March. So whatever points you have earned in this duration only, it is listed over here. That does not mean, as I said earlier, if you have earned any of the arcade points in the April month, it won't be counted. It will be counted in the upcoming month insider email. Now, most of you have not got this insider email. Chances are there you have missed one step that you have not subscribed to the arcade. Or even if you have subscribed to the arcade, one mistake you might have done that you haven't checked the spam section of the mail. First of all, check the spam section. Also, the mails are being rolled out. So chances are there, wait for a day. You'll be getting the mail without any issue. Now, how to get this mail? If you're starting from April month itself, first thing what you have to do, you have to go to skills.google, create account. For creation also, you have to watch the video which I have linked in the description. Now from here, what you have to do, let me just show you. So from here, you have to click on the profile, go to the settings. First thing what you have to do, you have to just make sure your profile is public. Okay, you have to just check this box and update it. Do not update it again and again. Once update it and leave it as it is. Now from here, you have to just copy this email. Okay, just click on subscribe here. And here you have to enter the same email with which you have created the account so that it proves that you have subscribed to the arcade and you'll be getting the updates and all the emails, including the price counter, including the points email. You have to simply click on next and just come down yes and simply submit over here like this. Now once you have submitted, you'll get this copy of the form response. You can just check the spam section. That means you are subscribed to the arcade. Now most people are asking, do we have to do it every month or once we have done in the January itself or February itself or whenever we started? It is okay. So yes, it is okay if you have already subscribed to the arcade form, means subscription form, and you are getting all the updates over here, like you are getting this mail previous month also, then it is completely okay. Now here most important thing is that most people are asking one more thing, that when we can claim these prizes. Okay, so as per the new update, the prize counter is scheduled to open in December or January, so you have to keep earning arcade points. If any updates is released, I'll make a video for that also. Now make sure you subscribe the channel, like the video. If you have any doubts, do let me in the comment section. This was a quick informative video and I just wanted to update you all of the guys. Thank you. Goodbye.